Today we are unboxing Mermaid High Finley doll. This doll has a removable towel, so there's a 2-in-1 play. This doll is recommended for ages 4 and up, and she is made by Spin Master. Here is the back of the box. It says Mermaid High, splashing for fashion. We can see the characters. And then down here, it tells us what's in the box. If you would like, you can pause the video here and read about Mermaid High. And then here it tells us the shell opens in water, and there's a surprise inside. So let's get Finley out of the box. So everything is out of the box. First, let's talk about the doll. She has long blonde hair with orange streaks in it. She wears this orange headpiece with like a starfish on it and other little charms like seashells and a star. She also has some freckles. Her top has blue puff sleeves that you can see through and 2 orange straps at the top, and then it's like a rainbow, and then she has like this belt here that's orange and has some other charms just like her headpiece, and it snaps in the back. Her top velcros in the back, and her towel velcros in the back too. Her towel is different colors. There's some pink, some blue, orange, green, and then purple. And she has 2 charms on her towel that are pink. This one is like a flower, it looks like, and this one is a rainbow. The bottom of her towel has these orange, yellow, and pink tassels, and then down here, it's like an orange that fades into pink, then goes into purple, and then blue. Underneath, it's like this net material. Finley's head can turn. She can sit. Her knees can bend. Her arms can go back and forth, out to the side, back in, and her elbows can bend. These are her shorts that she came with. They're jean shorts. They have the tassels like her towel has. And there's also these green star gems. And then there's this blue like ruffle material at the bottom. So let's put these on Finley. So here are the shorts on Finley. They do seem a little tight. Finley's legs can go back and forth, a little out to the side. There is no opening at the bottom of her towel, so her feet do not poke out when she's wearing this. Finley comes with these orange high heels. They have stars on them. So let's put these on Finley. So there's Finley in her orange high heels. Next we have this purse she comes with. It has painted on purple tassels and a purple sea turtle. and it's blue. Next, we have these sunglasses. They are like an ice-looking blue, and they have like these flowers on them. Then she has her pink comb, and there's 2 starfish on it. Here's Finley's student ID card, so if you would like to read about Finley, you can pause the video here. The back of the card has the Mermaid High characters on it. Now it's time to see the surprise that's inside of here. So the instructions tell us to drop the shell into a bowl of warm water, and then the shell opens to reveal a packet, and we'll open the packet to find our fashion accessory. So now we will dump this into some water. So here's our accessory packet that we have to open. So let's see what's inside. We have some earrings. They're pink and they have fish on them. So let's put them on Finley. So here are the earrings on Finley. So here's what the inside of the shell looks like. We can see a little screen and there's a keyboard. It's supposed to be like a laptop, which is pretty cool that it's a laptop inside of the shell. And we can close it back up and hit this button to reopen it. So that is the Mermaid High Finley doll. Bye! Subscribe for more videos.